Hello, my name is Paskin Artyom. I am an executive director of STOROЖУК LLC. The main direction of our company is serial production of metal products of various complexity. The mission of our company is production of metal products of various complexity. The STOROЖUK LLC is a Ukrainian family-owned company that strives for perfection. The facility is in compliance with all European standard requirements. 6000 watt laser with maximum cutting thickness of 1 inch steel and 3/4 inch stainless steel. The cutting-edge software technology has enabled us to perfect the technique of cutting rectangular pipes, profile and beams. The maximum diameter of the pipe reached 320 and total weight up to 150 kilograms. Our specialist works simultaneously with several programs and are efficiently trained, allowing for our company to efficiently reduce production time. Our specialists work simultaneously in several programs, are trained to quickly change the tool and work operationally and in combination, thereby saving production time. Our equipment is constantly being modernized. Water jet technology using pressure of 4000 atmospheres. Water and sand are supplied proportionately through a cutting curved nozzle. This method allows us to cut all types of materials. The maximum thickness of the cut is 150 mm. Compensation of the cutting edge ties the taper up to 0.1 of millimeters. In addition to traditional welded post, we use a new method of laser welding. This has an advantage in speed, quality and reliability. This welding technology is used in modern industrial enterprises that are European quality focused. Mechanical processing is performed on lathes with numerical control. Finished parts are painted in two ways: polymer thermal painting using a technological processor with automatic preparation for painting, chemical washing with metal shot and laser, and air painting with water-based and alkyd paints. achieve success thanks to our qualified staff and modern technology. Engineering and decision departments ensures efficient processing of order and provides industrial technical drawings for production. Our mission is high quality and affordable metal products utilized worldwide ranging from personal to industrial application.